Paul, just first of all, tell us what Zoeftig is showing here at PTE.
As usual, we're showing our full range of seating products, which are made specifically for the airport marketplace.
And tell us about the product you're showing here for the first time that we can see behind you.
What we've shown our new power unit called Boost, which is a very flexible product which we've been developing over the last few years, and we can virtually put in any location on the seating that the client requests.
We'll talk about the flexibility in a second, but just tell us a little bit more about it and the benefits.
It's the first product we've fully developed from scratch. Having been one of the first companies to do major installations of power in the airports, we've learnt a lot of lessons through the processes. The thing with this unit is it can take many different types of sockets, and it's already approved for those countries. It has USB sockets which are replaceable, and it has USB sockets which are upgradable. So as we see the new products coming along in the next year or so, we can change those sockets for the new type.
And you mentioned about the flexibility. You touched on a couple of the areas there, but also the flexibility of placing it where it can be.
Yeah, everybody has a view in this industry of where the power should be provided. So we worked really hard on this product to make it a product which we could literally put anywhere on the seat that the client wanted, within reason, of course. So if they want it under the seat, they can have it there. If they want it under the table, on top of the table, it's down to the client. So, and we've also developed it to go between the seat and a double armrest, which is another new thing we've introduced here, having just done a major installation of that, where every seat has two armrests, and that then allows it to have a power unit between it.
And you're already installing this in airports?
Yeah, we've just finished our first major installation in Atlanta. We've put in 8,000 seats there, and they've been powered up with 4,000 of these units. So every customer or every passenger gets to have power provided.
And this is an interesting area because I guess over the last 5-10 years, the way that passengers have been requiring power has changed dramatically.
Yeah, absolutely. Obviously, originally there was a call for USB, but really it was mains power. As everything's evolved, it really has become about USB. So our unit now provides enough power for any USB connection to receive full power to charge the item they're trying to recharge. So if it's a tablet, irrespective if there's anybody else plugged in next to you, it will still charge at full speed. We think we're the first in the industry to do that.
Now the power display is the first time I think people have been able to see that at an exhibition. Is that because Passenger Terminal Expo is a particularly important show for you?
As always, we use Passenger Terminal to launch any new products we're going to bring to the market. It gives us instant access to the industry. People can see what we're providing very quickly, and we know if we bring it here, we're going to be showing it to airports from all around the world.
What sort of conversations you had this week?
Interesting, of course. New projects coming along as normal. Most of them we probably know about, but we get to see people for the first time very often here. Allows us to move forward in the next few years with them.